As you all know, we are here for a maths demo. Okay, so the topic that I've chosen for you people today is measurements, and in measurements also specifically about time. Okay, everyone, my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
before I proceed, I just want to have a brief knowledge of what do you people think when I speak of time. I would like to start with Vanya. Vanya, what do you think when I speak of time? What's time?
Ma'am, time is a frequency what we are doing about.
Okay. Raza, what do you think of time?
Ma'am, I think of time that is a frequency of something we are doing, like we are sleeping, watching TV, yes, studying.
I am not able to track who is speaking. Okay, Advika is speaking. Okay. Yeah, Raza. Raza, hi.
Yes,
What do you think of time, Raza? What's time?
time is type of session in which we do something
Okay.
of
Like
verbs.
like the clock, AM, PM.
Yeah.
So time is basically clock, right? Anyone who thinks time is something else as well, apart from clock?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, I heard someone saying yes. Yes, Ahana, you raised your hand. What's time? Oh, no? Okay. Anyone? Anushri? Yeah, Anushri? Anish?
Time is a very valuable and important thing. We
Okay.
should never waste time.
Okay.
Time is used to do things.
Okay. Okay, you people gave me definitions or time. So what I wanted to ask is time, when I speak of time, is the clock the object that tells us time? What tells us time? Clock.
Ma'am,
Time
yes,
is,
clock,
yes,
watch.
Ahana.
Clock. Clock and watch.
Okay, clocks and watch. Anything else? Yes, Ahana. Unmute. Yeah, say.
Ma'am, sometimes sundial watch.
One by one. Ahana, you are not audible. Please ask your parents to fix your mic. Mariam. Ahana, you're not audible, dear. Your mic isn't working. Mariam. Okay, so everyone majorly said clock. Time is about clock, right? Nothing else. What about calendar?
Yes, ma'am.
But you did not say that. But you did not say that, right? Nobody said that, na?
Ma'am, I something.
Okay, so measurement. Measurement is basically something that can be measured. Anything and everything that can be measured, that falls under measurement. Okay, students? Anything and everything that can be measured, that's measurement. For example, I ask you, how old are you? So I'm checking the time over there.
8, ma'am.
Okay?
9.
Yes, Pranav, you want to say something? Pranav, you want to say something?
My years is 8, ma'am.
Okay. No, that was an example, Pranavi. Okay, I don't want to ask your real age. We can keep that as secret. That's not required. Okay. How much do you weigh? Again, that is under measurement. We check the weight. How tall you are. So we are checking your height. Or if I'm talking of how long a pen is, suppose my pen, how long it is. So I'm checking the length of it. Okay. How much water can be filled? That's the capacity of the water bottle. How hot or cold it is on a particular day. So in this case, we are checking the temperature. Okay, everyone. So basically, anything and everything that can be measured falls under measurement. Okay, Prisha, Aganya, Pranavi, Mrityunjay, right? So all these are subcategories of measurement, exactly what we can measure. So now when we measure, how do we measure? We measure using certain tools or units. That's called measuring tools or measuring units. For example, suppose you are traveling from one place to another. Have you ever seen the map shows you are how many, suppose let's say it's 12 what? What is the unit used? What is the unit used from city A, let's say city A to city B?
1 meter. 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Correct.
1 kilometer.
Correct.
1 meter also kilometer.
Correct. Very good, all of you. So that's the unit. Okay, Mrityunjay, please do not write on the screen. So that's a unit. So units also refer to as the measuring tools that help us to measure anything. Okay. Now different perspectives, they have different units to be measured. For example, we use kilometer to measure the length. We use, let's say, AM or PM to check the time. We use kilograms to check what?
Weight.
Very good.
Weight.
Very good. So different perspectives have different units. Okay, all of you. So
Yes.
over here, different various perspectives are given: money, temperature, time, volume, weight, and length. And today our main focus is time, because as Anushri said, time is very valuable, right? So let's focus on something which is very valuable in our life. Time. When we speak of time, we don't only refer to clock. We don't only refer to it's 10 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock at night, it's 8 a.m. or 8. No. Okay. When we speak of time, someone's mic is echoing. Everyone, please be on mute. Mrityunjay, I think it's your mic that's echoing because you have
No,
unmuted.
Shreya ma'am.
It is not fake, ma'am.
Shreya ma'am, this is Mariam's mic. Mariam requesting you to keep yourself on mute, please.
Oh,
Mariam,
Yes.
please keep yourself on mute. And please do not write anything on the blackboard here. Thank you. Mariam, please remind that not to, like when ma'am is asking, then only keep your mic on, okay?
ma'am.
No, nobody should write here, otherwise we may remove you from the session if you are not listening, okay? Please maintain the decorum, everybody.
Okay, all of you. So when we speak of time, we just don't refer to clock, we also refer to calendar. Okay, all of you? Like how many years or how many months, how many weeks, all of these are also time. Like 5 months have passed since I met my friend. So that's also time. The time of 5 months, the duration of 5 months in which I haven't met my friend. Okay, all of you? So that again refers to time. Clear, everyone? Advika, Ahana,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Raza. Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. So we are going to learn about clocks and calendars basically today. Coming to clocks. Clock shows us what time of the day it is, whereas calendar shows much more than that, months and years also. Okay, now when we speak of clock, generally this is how a clock looks like. From 1 to 12 it is. Right? From 1 to 12 now. Each one shows an hour, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, depending on the short hand, obviously. The short hand is the hour hand, the long hand is the minute hand, right, everyone? Now, since we have numbers from 1 to 12, does that mean that we have only 12 hours a day? Yes? We have numbers from 1 to 12.
No, ma'am. There are 24 hours.
There are 24 hours.
A day has 24 hours, ma'am.
We have only
There are
12
24
numbers.
hours. Has 24
Okay,
hours,
listen.
ma'am.
One by one, one by one. One by one. Yeah, Pranali, go ahead.
A day has 24 hours, ma'am.
But how? I have numbers from 1 to 12 only, so how come 24 hours?
Ma'am, 10 o'clock. Reach to 12, it also move at 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Okay, all of
A
you.
clock takes 2 rounds to complete 24 hours.
Very good. Very good, all of you. I really like your NQ. I really, Vanya, for the
Ma'am,
please
before
maintain the decorum, Vanya. Please do not write on the screen.
ma'am before ma'am before 12 the time should in AM and after 12 the time should be in PM.
Correct. Okay, so I see you know a lot about clocks. So yeah, you all are correct. Although it has 12 numbers, but the clock completes 2 complete rounds in a day. Hence, 12 plus 12, 24 hours it is marking. Okay?
Ma'am.
Correct. Now, that's about the shorthand, the hour hand. What's about the longer hand then, the minute hand? When we are speaking of the longer hand, each number represents 5 minutes. This is the reason starting from 1 we have 5, next 2 represents 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. This is the reason 1 hour has 60 minutes. Okay, everyone? 1 hour has 60 minutes because the moment the clock completes one complete circle, it completes an hour of the day. It's from like 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock, okay? Something like that. So this is the reason 1 hour has 60 minutes because skip counting by 5 it is. Okay, everyone, show me your thumbs if you understood.
Yes.
Show me your thumbs if you understood. Most everybody knew 1 hour has 60 minutes. Right? That's nothing new. But you should know the logic. It's not about memorizing, it's about understanding the logic. Okay, everyone? Now, see, the clock can be divided into 4 equal parts, just like the pizza slices. And if we divide it into 4 equal parts, if you observe closely, each part has 3 numbers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it?
Yes.
All of them
Yes,
have
ma'am.
three numbers now. Three numbers means 5,
15
10,
minutes.
15 minutes. Correct. That is why we say clock can be divided into quarters. Quarters why? Because quarter means 4 equal parts. And each quarter represents 15 minutes of section. Clear,
Yes,
everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see, this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
reason why we say, suppose it is 5:15. What do we say it in words? What's the time? Risha, I would like you to answer. 5:15, what's the time? How do we say it in words? Hands down, everyone. I'll give everyone a turn. Risha, 5:15, how do you write? Do you write something like 15 minutes past 5? Huh? Come on, it's okay. You're not sitting in an exam hall. You can just give wrong answers. Huh?
I'm quarter past 5.
Excuse me, am I
Ma'am,
audible?
quarter past
Quarter
5.
past 5.
Past 5.
Quarter
Ma'am, we can
past
call quarter past 5 and 5 past 15 minutes also.
Sorry, am I audible?
past 5 because it's like 1/4 has passed after 5 o'clock. Quarter past 5. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See the clock is showing over here. It's complete hour. 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, then it's half an hour past. Because 2 quarters have passed. Half of the clock is done. Right, everyone? Everyone, please mute. The moment the clock passes half an hour, now we switch to the next hour. We don't call past because it has become now closer to the next hour. Suppose I started from 5. It was 5 past 5, 10 past 5, quarter past 5, something like this. Okay. The moment it has crossed half a clock, next it becomes closer to the next hour, which is 6 o'clock. So it's 25 minutes to 6 now. 20 minutes to 6. Quarter to 6. Only 1/4 left to 6, right, everyone? 10 to 6, 5 to 6, and finally it's 6 o'clock. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anand?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. ma'am. Yes,
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good, all of you. Now, talking of the conversion, 1 day is equals to 24 hours, right? 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, and 1 hour has 3600 seconds. Furthermore, we have two types of years. What are they? A regular year and
Leap
a
year.
regular leap year. Very
Leap
good.
year. Leap year and leap year, ma'am. Leap
Very
year
good.
and
What's a leap year?
regular year. Ma'am, leap year is a year when there are 29 days in February.
Very good.
In February, yes, ma'am. In leap year, the year has 366 days.
Okay, very good. Okay, in the name of Mohit Kumar, what's your name? Hi.
Ma'am.
What's your name?
Mishika.
Mishika. Okay. Do you know about leap years, Mishika?
Yes, ma'am. In
Okay.
February, it has 28 or 29 days.
Okay. So, how, like, when does a leap year occur? Is every year a leap year?
No, ma'am.
One by one, please. One by one. I like your NQ, but still one by one, please. Yeah, Mishika. When does a leap year occur?
Ma'am, every 4 years.
Every 4 years. Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Very good.
every 4 years. Ma'am, like every 4 years. Four was a leap year.
Students. 1 second.
Also, ma'am,
I like your energy. It's a great energy. It's great to see how you all are so attentive in the class, how you all are so connected to the class. But it would be great if we can just go turn wise. I'm not able to follow any of you otherwise, okay? So like this, you are saying you're putting efforts, but still your efforts are not reaching out to me. So it would be great if you can take your turns. We all will participate in the class, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you for being cooperative.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Mishika. So I'll get back to you. When does a leap year occur, Mishika?
After every 4 years.
After every 4 years. That means every fifth year? Every fifth year. So there are 4 normal years in the very
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So our next topic is elapsed time concept. Our next topic is elapsed time concept. The word elapsed means something which has passed, anything which has passed, which cannot come back. Okay. So elapsed time means, for example, we started our demo at 8 o'clock. Okay. Right now it's 8:30. So half an hour has passed, na?
Yes, ma'am.
In today's date, 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. that has passed, will it come back again?
No, ma'am.
So that's the elapsed time of this demo class. Okay, that's the elapsed time of this demo class that has passed away. So anything between the starting time and the end time, that's called elapsed time. The end time minus the start time. Okay. Now, to calculate elapsed time, please do not write on the screen. To calculate elapsed time, there are two methods of doing it. Either you can set the time, just the way it was shown over here, end time minus start time, or you can take jumps and do, which I'll be showing it to you in the next slide. Okay, everyone? So, the duration of time elapsed means the difference between the given times. Let's say the time started and the time ended. Fine. Now it might be in 12-hour format or 24-hour format, as we all know, since you all told me very nicely that the clock completes two circles in a day. So we have 24 hours a day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it can be in either 12 hours or 24 hours. Now the jump I was talking of, you can also calculate elapsed time this way. Let's say I ask you what is the elapsed time between 11:45 to 15:10. So 11:45, next hour is 12 o'clock. So 11:45 to 12 is 15 minutes.
minutes has passed.
Okay, 15 minutes. Next, 12 o'clock to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. It's 3 hours. Okay?
Yes,
From
ma'am.
3 to 3:10, it's 10 more minutes. So total 3 hours and 15 plus 10, 25 minutes. The elapsed time is 3 hours 25 minutes. This is what we call jumping and also calculating the elapsed time. Am I clear, everyone? Thumbs up if you understood.
Ma'am.
Thumbs up if you understood, everyone. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And here is one subtraction method also. Here is one subtraction method also. How do we subtract? See, 9 minus 620. If I have to subtract now, how do I do that? I cannot subtract from 9 o'clock 20, right? This is 20 minutes now.
Yes.
So what I do, I borrow 1 hour from here. I borrow 1 hour from here. So when I borrow 1 hour,
It will become 60 now.
correct. The moment I borrow 1 hour, I convert it into minutes.
Ma'am, in 60 minutes, and we have to do 60 minus 20.
Very good. So I borrowed 1 hour, 9 became 8 hours. Since
8 and 8 we have to do 8 minus 6, then
correct.
answer आ जाए.
Very good. So 60 minus 20 is 40 and 8 minus 6 is 2.
2 hours 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Ma'am, 2 hours 40 minutes. 2 hours 40 minutes.
Good.
2 hours 40 minutes.
Very good. In the name of NIIT.
2 hours 40 minutes. Ma'am, in minutes it is 160 minutes.
Yes. In the name of NIIT, what's your name? I.
Swanand.
No, not you. Someone else is there. Okay, everyone following? Everyone understood how to calculate elapsed time in two different methods?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So let's see how much you have understood. No one will, after having completed, no one will shout with the answer. I'll ask. This is a question. Please, and I'll call out a person, he or she can answer. Yes, Mrityunjay, what's the answer?
Huh?
Answer to the question.
Can I answer?
1 minute. Can we go take turns? Mrityunjay, what's the answer?
Right here.
Hi, Mrityunjay. What's the answer?
Ma'am. Ma'am, can I say?
I thought you had solved, you were relaxing back. I thought you had solved the answer. One by one. Mrityunjay, are you answering?
Ma'am, can I say the answer? 6. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Hold on, students. Hold on. Hold on, everyone. Yes, Mehransh. You're on mute, Mehransh. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I say the answer? Ma'am, 1 hour 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
80 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes. That's equivalent to 80.
The answer is 40 minutes. 80 minutes. 40 minutes. 44 minutes. 40 minutes. And 1 hour 46 minutes. And 40 minutes. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, 1 hour 80 minutes. 44 minutes. 40 minutes, ma'am. 20 minutes.
I'll now give you next question.
Ma'am, 80 minutes.
Next question.
40 minutes, ma'am. 40 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
80 minutes, ma'am. Ma'am, 46 minutes.
Okay.
80 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 40 minutes.
Manas wants to light crackers till 10:26 p.m. The clock shows the time present is 9:46 p.m. For how many minutes more can Manas light?
44 minutes. 80 minutes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
40
46
minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes.
40 minutes.
Mute, please,
1
everyone.
hour 20 minutes.
80 minutes, ma'am.
Everyone, please be on mute before I proceed. Everyone, please mute yourselves before I proceed. Tejashree, please mute. Mariam, please mute yourself. Thank you. 9:46 to 10:26. Okay. The next 10 o'clock, okay? 9:46 to 10 o'clock. Raza will explain because he was the only one who was maintaining the decorum of the class. Raza, unmute yourself and speak. No one else would unmute. Raza, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Thank you. Go ahead, Raza. 9:46 to 10. How long is it?
Ma'am, I have done 10:26 minus 9:46. Then I carried 1 hour from 10 o'clock to 26 minutes. Then it became 86. Then I minus 86 minus 46. The answer is 40. Then they carried 1 by 10. I have taken 1 hour. It will be 9. Then the bottom part was also 9. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. So 0 point, it will be 0:40. So the answer is 40 minutes.
Okay, you have to use the subtraction method. Since you have so well explained the subtraction method, I will use the jump one. Okay. So 9:46 to 10 is, students, it's basically 24 minutes. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, it's 14 minutes. Is it 14 minutes or 24 minutes? Which one? Did I say right or wrong?
Ma'am, 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
14 minutes, na? So everyone said yes. No one rectified me.
Yes, ma'am.
9:46 to 10.
40.
And after that, over here, how many minutes from 10 to 10?
26.
26, not 24.
So that means how much does it become? 26 and 14?
40 minutes.
40 minutes in total.
40 minutes.
Prior to 10 o'clock and 26 minutes after 10 o'clock. So yeah, that's 40 minutes as the answer. Okay, everyone?
Yes.